Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the application of trigonometry. First, let's start with the basics. Trigonometry is all about the relationships between the sides and angles of triangles, especially right-angled ones. You'll want to get comfortable with sine, cosine, and tangent, often remembered by the acronym SOHCAHTOA. These ratios are the building blocks for solving many real-world problems. Mastering these initial concepts will set a strong foundation for more complex applications. Once you grasp the basic ratios, the next step is applying them to solve triangles. This means finding missing side lengths or angles. For example, if you know one angle and one side, you can find the other sides using sine, cosine, or tangent. If you know two sides, you can find an angle using inverse trigonometric functions. Practice with various triangle problems to solidify your understanding of these essential calculations. Trigonometry isn't just for textbooks. It has countless real-world applications. Think about how architects use it to design stable buildings, or how engineers calculate forces on bridges. Surveyors rely on it to map land accurately, and astronomers use it to measure distances to stars. Even in video games, trigonometry helps determine trajectories and angles. Seeing these practical uses can make learning much more engaging and meaningful. To deepen your understanding, delve into more advanced topics like the unit circle, which extends trigonometry to all angles. Also, explore the law of sines and the law of cosines, which are crucial for solving non-right triangles. Consistent practice with diverse problems is key to mastery. Remember, the more you apply these concepts, the more intuitive they become. And hey, if you're looking for other great resources, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.